Welcome to our quick comparison of the Smug Countertop ice makers. Today, we will explore two fantastic models, the classic black and the bright white versions. Both machines promise to deliver 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them perfect for parties, camping, or everyday use. Let's dive into their features and see which one might be the best fit for your kitchen. Both the classic black and bright white Smug ice makers are designed for speed, producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production rate ensures you have ice ready for your drinks in no time, making them ideal for entertaining guests or keeping your beverages cool during hot summer days. While both models share similar functionality, they differ in aesthetics. The classic black model offers a sleek and modern look that fits well in any kitchen, while the bright white version adds a fresh and clean appearance, making it perfect for bright and airy spaces. Both designs are compact and portable, featuring a convenient handle for easy transportation. Maintenance is crucial for any appliance, and both Smug models offer user-friendly cleaning features. The classic black model has a straightforward auto-clean function, while the bright white version includes a more detailed cleaning cycle, ensuring that your ice maker remains in top condition. This makes both machines easy to maintain, allowing you to focus on enjoying your ice-cold drinks. In conclusion, both the Smug Countertop ice maker in classic black and the bright white model offer impressive features, rapid ice production, and ease of maintenance. Your choice will ultimately depend on your aesthetic preference and any specific features you prioritize. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons and buying guides.